Hello, I'm Ken Carson, and today I want to talk to you about the drawers on our pedestals, whether it's a mobile pedestal or a fixed one like that. Sometimes, over time, the drawer slides get gunked up and stop working. So you're going to notice that right away because they're not pulling out. First thing I want you to check is make sure it's unlocked. This one's locked right now, so we're just going to turn the key and make sure it's working. All right, I'm just going to take the key out so we don't break it. And this one's opening normally right now. If yours is not opening, make sure it's unlocked, and then you're just gonna have to force it and pull it out. So go ahead and do that. It will probably break the drawer slide and you'll hear ball bearings bouncing around in there. Don't worry about it, we've got you covered. Customer service department at Xybix is gonna take care of you with this. We're gonna send you new drawer slides. All right, now that you have it open, you're gonna pull it out. What you're gonna look for is this gray lever here. It's on each side, so both sides here. This one I'm going to push down, the other one is opposite, I'll be pulling it up, and that will allow you to take the drawer box out. So let's do that now. Now these gray levers I showed you, some are gray, some are black. Don't worry about the color, they work the same way. What we want to do, right hand and left hand, I'm going to push down on one, up on the other. Do it at the same time, and then just keep pulling. You can pull it all the way out. This is your drawer box. All right, I'm just going to set this aside out of the way. Do not put it on the keys you just set on the side. We don't want to scratch anything. Okay, now we can get to the work on the inside of this. Grab my phone with the flashlight on. I can look in here. This model has 3 screws. We have different depths of these. Other ones might have 4 screws, but let's get to work on this. I'm gonna take out the center one first, and just like any screw here, I'm just gonna thread it out. When I get close, I'm gonna put this guy down. Okay. Little different looking screw. All right, I took the back one out. That's in the middle. Well, that's near the back of the soft close drawer slide mechanism. Just a reminder, just a regular Phillips for all this stuff, pretty easy. Now the front one, all right, so this one, I've got to figure out where it is. I can see it here, and then we're gonna unthread that one. Now, I'm gonna set my phone down. I'll just put it in here for now. Get this so it doesn't fall too much on me. Okay, this one does have a 4th screw, and this one's a little black screw. There we go. So I'm just gonna, once again, unthread the little black screw, keep all these screws, pull that out. There, I've got the drawer slide out. All right, back to your drawer box. This piece is connected on there. We're gonna leave that on there. Here is the bad slide. It's missing components, you can see that. Here's the new slide. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece here, and this is what we're looking at right here, okay? So we're gonna take this out. I'm gonna do the same thing we did to take the drawer box out. We're gonna pull that down. We don't need this piece anymore because it's this exact same piece here, so that's gonna save us a little bit of hassle. You gotta do this for it to work. Take this one out. All right, new drawer slide. What I like to do is get this screw, and I like to get the center hole in first, just reline it up with existing holes, so let's get that done. All right, I've got my extra lighting in here. This one, I'm gonna try to do this, get it through, line it up. Now I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. I'm gonna get it pretty close, and that'll just give me a little wiggle room for the rest. Next, I'm gonna do the front one. So that'll hold it in place, because obviously the back one's the hardest to reach to. So let's get this guy in place. Same thing, not quite all the way tight. Let's grab our last screw. So the silver one's like this, go in the middle and the back. The black one goes in front. Everything should line up. They're easy peasy, we're threading in. Okay, now we're gonna go through, get this guy all the way down nice and tight. And then I'm gonna work back up and get the middle one, and then get this front one and get that tight. Okay, now we've got the drawer slides in. We're almost done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide them back. They're gonna kind of have resistance and stop. So you're about 1 inch or so in front of the edge here. I'm gonna take my phone out, get it up there. Now we're gonna grab that drawer box, connect it in there, and get it taken care of. Drawer box, obviously, we've talked about that. All right, we're gonna get this. So I'm gonna make sure, if you can see there, I'm lining this up so it'll slide in. I do the same on the other side, nice and easy. Got a little click there. Okay, click, everything worked. Let's see here, I'm gonna do a couple, make sure it's working nice and easy. Then we have our soft close drawer slide working. All right, so that's how you get a drawer slide out and swap them out. Pretty easy to do, shouldn't take too long. We always appreciate your help on this. So you've got questions about this, our customer service team is here to help you out. Any other questions about Xybix, hit us up. We're here to help.